Take your hands out of our pockets, 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 pockets. And here's to all the honest people working hard each day, bleeding sweat to earn a little take-home pay. When the sun goes down, the vampires come to take our bites and steal that money all the way. Take your hands out of our pockets. Don't you have some pockets of your own? We got family and friends to take care of. We're all shouting through the same megaphone. Take your hands out of our pockets.
You're listening to the smooth sounds of Bobby Powers and Party Time.
Now for you it's been so very easy to do, kinda like taking candy from a baby.
Check them out at BobbyPowersandPartytime.com.
Plus once, shame on you. Fool us twice, shame on everybody. Take your hands out of our pockets. Don't you have some pockets of your own?
Booking information, go to BobbyPowersandPartytime@gmail.com.
We're all shouting through the same megaphone. Take your hands out of our pocket.
Remember, it's Bobby Powers and Party Time for your dining and dancing pleasure.
There have been revolutions throughout history when the people have no bread. Great country of freedom and choices, you can choose to hear our voice, or you can choose to lose your jobs instead.
If you're enjoying this song, it can be purchased at iTunes or BobbyPowersandPartytime.com.
Country ever, and that's no accident. It's our freedom and it's our will. If you just get your hands out of our lives and out of our pockets, 1,000 years from now we'll be the greatest country still. Take your hands out of our pockets, 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 pockets. Don't you have some pockets of your own? Come on now.
You're listening to the dulcet tones of Bobby Powers and Party Time. And remember, come November, let's send these politicians a message. We're all mad as hell, and we're not gonna take it anymore. And the next time you see one of our brave men and women in uniform, go up to them. Thank them for our freedom.
Now we know exactly what's been going on. Take your hands out of our pockets.
Oh yeah, one more thing. God bless America.
Out of our pockets. Get your hands out of.
If you've enjoyed this video, pass it on. And thanks for watching.
Take your hands.